Magandang umaga po, Pilipinas! Welcome to Agri TV at iba pa. Mad About Koi. My name is Mike Hernandez with my beautiful wife.
Glecia Hernandez of Kois and Ponds Farmless Piñas.
Yan, may gap yun. Anyway, welcome po to this episode at papakita po natin kung paano po pagpapaganda at paano po ma-maximize ang water quality. And first time po namin gagawin to. Actual po, iaangat po namin yung biological system which we only clean on the 3rd month or the 6th month. Depende po kung gaano kadumi yung pond. But definitely, we clean the mechanical filtration system every week. Friends in Koi, ito po yung filter system. This is what we call pond number 12. So, tatanggalin po natin itong cover na to. And we will start cleaning this filtration system with the Kois and Ponds team. So this pond po ay merong mechanical filtration system na dalawa, which I mentioned na nililinis sila once a week. And today, ito matagal na po namin hindi nalilinis to, itong biological filtration, which consists of the filter mat. So nakita nyo kanina may cover pa po siya, but now tinanggal na natin, nandito na po yung talagang biological. Makikita nyo na po yung system na nandito. Alright, ngayon po ay pinatay na po natin yung dalawang motor, yung na nagsisirculate dito sa pond na to. And as you could see, mababa na po yung tubig dito sa filtration system. Ngayon, what we're gonna do is itatapon na po natin, i-empty natin to lahat. So boys, let's do it. Tanggalin natin to lahat ng biological. Makikita nyo po kung gaano ka-dumi at kung gaano ka-clog to. So, isa sa mga tips po, the better system would have a really good mechanical separator. In other words, parang nagde-design tayo ng system. Dapat yung kumbaga if we design a pulley, dapat po yung pulley frictionless. Dito naman sa filtration system, dapat po nito halos walang mechanical na makakalusot sa biological. Okay friends, so unti-unti po nakikita nyo, dinedrain na nila itong biochamber. Nakita nyo, bumababa na siya. So friends in Koi, nakita nyo, wala na pong tubig itong biochamber. Makikita nyo yung last few remaining water na pumupunta po dito sa drain nito, going to the drain chamber, ay malapot na po siya. So eto po, typically ganito makikita nyo pag in-empty nyo yung biochamber nyo. Lahat po ng dumi, lahat po ng mga unwanted solids na nakalusot pa dito, yun yung huling nahan dito na iiwan. So ngayon lilinisin po natin to. The next job would be clean this whole chamber, and then isa-isa po itong mga filter brush, lilinisin po nila to. So friends in Koi, ito po yung tub na nilalagyan po natin ng aged water. In other words, unchlorinated water, itong nandito. Dito po natin babanlawan isa-isa itong filter mat na to. Pagka malinis na siya, we'll just rinse it like lulublub lang. No need to use power washer kasi po madudurog po yung filter mat kung ipa-power wash natin to. Okay friends, binabalik na po nila, malinis na po yung buong biological chamber, binabalik na po nito net yung mga crate na tungtungan ng itong mga filter mats. And we chose yung dog crates na plastic dahil hindi po ito nabubulok. Dito po natin pinapatong lahat ng filter mats. Thank you so much friends for joining us today. I hope may na-share po kami sa inyo sa paglilinis ng dito biological chamber using Nitrobacta for better water quality, for better water management. My name is Mike Hernandez. Join us again next week with my beautiful wife,
Glecia Hernandez of Kois and Ponds Farmless Piñas.
Dito lang po yan sa Agri TV at iba pa. Mad About Koi. Kita-kits po. Bye.
Bye!
Give me high five.